back with a brand new video, and in today's video we are going to review a green board that we can stick on the wall. So guys, with everything going online and teaching kids at home is becoming a daily norm right now, and for that everybody needs to have a green board, a blackboard or some surface where you can actually write and teach your children. So this is a product that we are going to review today. This is a green board to stick on the wall right here that I have, and we can stick it up and we can use it like a green board in your house, in your office, in a school, colleges, anywhere you all want to use it, you all can use it. So let's go ahead and review this product. Guys, we are going to quickly let's review the packaging of the product. It comes packaged in this cardboard box right here, and there's no brand name to it on the packaging. Like I can see here, there's no brand name here. It's a generic green board here, but it is sold on Amazon from CraftDev as a new seller, right? Another new seller. It's marketed by Ramdev Trading here, and it's a green board to stick. It says it's a green board to stick, so you can easily stick it on any surface you want. You just need it to have a flat surface. Any surface, lightweight, durable, peel, stick, right, very simple to use. Use it on any surface, multiple uses. You can use it for multiple things. You can cut custom shapes out of it, custom sizes out of it. Easy to clean. You just need to use a wet cloth to clean it, and it will last up to 2 years, which is very good. You can use it for drawing, you can use it for learning, you can use it for on any surface. Like, it's a very durable product here that we have here. The price of the product written here, the MRP given is rupees 600, but it is available under rupees 300 on Amazon. That's what I bought it for, some 279 or something. I can't remember the exact price, but yeah, it's available under rupees 300 on Amazon. So it's an amazing bargain here to have, like an amazing product to have. So let's go ahead and open the box and check out the product that's inside the box. Here we just open it up, and here guys, this is the green board. Now the size that this size, it is 6 feet by 2 feet, right? The size is 6 feet by 2 feet is what I bought. You get 6 feet by 1.5 feet as well, but I wanted a bigger one, so I took a 6 feet by 2 feet. So this is size here, and it comes wrapped in a plastic wrap right here. So you need to open it up. There is sellotape here, so we need to peel that off first. So here we go. So here's the green board, and here are the 5 chalks. So you get 5 chalks along with it. So here are the 5 chalks which are packed in it, and here we go. So it's a very thin material. I can see that the material is very thin paper, and this is a peel off sticker there which you need to peel off. So you just need to wipe off the wall and then stick it on. So quality wise, I feel the paper is quite thin. It's not thick at all, and it is 6 feet in length, so it's really long, but 2 feet wide, which is good. So I have space around 4 feet on the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it by 2 feet off, and then I'm going to stick it here, and then I'm going to show you the final product, how does it look after sticking it, and we are going to do a test on it. We are going to try writing on it, we are going to try rubbing it off, and we'll see how durable this product is. So let's get down to that. So guys, here I have put the green sticking board on the wall. Not the best way of putting it, definitely. You can see all the air bubbles have come here. So you really need to do it with very much precision to get that perfect flat finish. So yeah. So but yeah, like when I used it for writing, it looks pretty much good to write on. But just installing it and applying it on the wall takes a bit of an effort, which you will need time to learn and like understand how to do it. I'll perfect the skill, and I'll try to create a video on how to apply it once I perfect it, and I'll show you how to do it once I find out an easy way to do it, and I'll share the link with y'all. But till here, like writing on it is good. Like you can see that it is good to write on, and it is easy to wipe it off as well. All you need to do is take a wet cloth, and you can easily wipe it off. So you can see this. Using a wet cloth, you can easily wipe off whatever is written on the board. Can be easily wiped off using a wet cloth. So pretty much does the work which you require to write and wipe off. For your kids to scribble, it's a good thing. For little toddlers to scribble, so I bought it for my daughter who is scribbling all over the wall. So rather I have a personal space for her where she can scribble. So guys, this is my review. The overall quality of it looks great, right? It's just about the way you stick it. If you do it right, it will be a perfect product. But yeah, it requires skill to do that. So guys, this was my review about the green board, stick-on green board. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.